Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam in a Minute course. In that lecture we're gonna focus on how can we create that kind of line here. So actually I am here, this is my C plane, I can turn to right, and this is my Z position. My Z position can be minus 25, and then I can click the line and points options. After that I can click the midpoint of that line, so that point it's gonna project it according to right position with my and Z depth position minus 25. After that I can change my Z position here, and I can click that point again. So that's it. After that we can turn to the geometry and add new line, and we can add our line, and then we calculate our toolpath. And this is the C-axis cross contour toolpath actually.